All right, hey guys, Ryan King PLG. It's Sunday open house day, and here's some of the new listings that hit Hancock Park. Here we go. First, we have 436 North Plymouth Boulevard, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,200 square feet. Lot is 6,700 square feet. Great for flipper, developer, asking 1.5. Now we have 184 South Hudson Ave, 7 bed, 7 bath, 7,600 square feet, asking 8 mil. Now we have 538 North Citrus Ave, 5 bed, 6 bath, 4,200 square feet, modern home, asking 3.4. Alright, that's it. If you liked any of these homes, hit me up. Ryan King PLG. If you're thinking about selling or buying, call Ryan.